I am.
Welcome to Noster's water park. Very exciting.
Damn. You see all this shit?
Flurry of water.
That was just the first patch. Now we move on to second patch. Number 2. I can't believe how much it's been raining lately. Okay, boys and girls, here comes the fun part. You might want to hide your kids. This is very disturbing. Look at that. This shit's about up to the fucking side of the truck. Ah, get wet. So's my phone. God damn it. Oh, damn. Now we're going to go look at the creek. Okay, now off to the right-hand side is the creek. Look at the creek. Wouldn't you say it's 3 feet high and rising? Wouldn't you say that, Joe?
I'd say that.
Thank you all for watching. This has been wonderful. Please make sure you watch for our next video. Have a good day.